We are here on the Appalachian Trail in Pennsylvania. We are doing the Cove Mountain to Duncannon. It's going to be a long trail. It's about 15 miles round trip. So come along for the ride. Check it out. Yeah?
He is at level 32 pounds.
Tell me how you fucking feel.
I feel ready to get going. But I need you guys to walk away so I lock the truck again.
Wait, what?
Why do we have to walk away?
Every time someone gets close to it, it wants to unlock.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a thing?
It's motion activated.
Oh my fucking god. Step away from the vehicle. Step away from the vehicle.
You got one of those retarded trucks.
Oh man, my ass straps are dangling.
He's got the dangly ass straps.
Oh, can you tuck me in? Richard, get me here.
Oh. What are we doing? Dude.
Woo! I'll warn you, Richard, I am a power bottom.
There you go.
Want me to back that up?
Jesus fucking Christ.
Hey, yeah. We're on the track. We're on the track. All right. Just so you know, I have one speed only. Turtle.
Well, you're gonna get walked over then by Brian.
He might.
No, I was about to send that to Richard.
Send what?
Our live.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're live. I'm about to let out another fart.
Yeah, you got poopy? You got poopy?
No, I ain't got poop. It's just got a lot of gas up in there. Sorry, Brian.
You fucking serious? I'm in the fucking back of the line then.
Hey!
I will not tolerate your shit.
Hey, I can't help it if I'm fucking spitting out air biscuits.
You can spit it out back there.
Air biscuits, baby.
Get that shit out there. You must cross the road.
We got to cross right here?
Yeah.
Hey.
That's the sound of a man. Hey, thanks for doing the Duncan section, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
I've been wanting to do this section for a while since I work up here so much.
Well,
and I know how cool this section is because I work up here a lot.
we're all doing it. We're all picking one, and you'll do it. And next person picks the next one, and we'll
Hell
do it.
yeah.
Hey. Go bloop, go bloop, go bloop, go bloop. Dear Lord, protect us as we're on this trail. May we all make it back one piece. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Richard's like, you guys are assholes.
Oh no, I'm used to getting left behind. Yeah, there was one time we was on our last hike. Brian was just in his own little thing. I'm just back there like, yeah, I'm just trucking along, and he turned around, he's like, oh damn, you could have said something. I was leaving your ass behind.
Brian and I have a real bad habit of that because we try to race each other.
Yeah, it don't bother me if the trail only goes one damn way.
Oh, well, ain't that true? But yell at me if I'm going too fast.
Don't worry, I'll throw my knife at you. Can't go nowhere now. You got one leg, motherfucker.
There's a really nice little section of trail right here.
We'll cut it down. Ain't got
Oh snap! I forgot to take a picture. Hold on, gotta take a picture.
Take a picture.
Yeah, gotta take a picture. Picture time.
I got a picture of all three of them. You did? Yep. The fuck did you do that?
Wait, he was at the back of the truck.
No, I got him while we were walking.
Oh, really? He's a fucking photo bomber. Oh, I got like 5 packs of coffee, so.
Yeah, I got a bunch too.
I got the Black Rifle vanilla coffee.
How about the Nestle 3-in-1? So it's pretty sweet.
Dude, I haven't been able to find those.
You gotta get them on Amazon.
Oh, Amazon, okay. Yeah, I haven't done that.
They're really good, but they're really sweet.
Yeah, no, we had them when we went to Cherry Spring. You gave everybody one.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, I did. You're right. And then we mixed up hot cocoa.
Yeah. Oh, that even made it better.
Cocoa made it so good.
Oh man, it was great. Well, you gotta go back there and do that again. Oh, also I got like 5 people at church that wanted to come out here with us.
I guarantee the 5 people at church wouldn't make it.
I'm gonna take them on a little one over there by the house.
This is not for everybody.
Yeah, no, he said, but yeah, they want to get out there and do the same thing. And I was like, well, so let me take you on a local one first. I said, because you got to carry anywhere from 15 to 30 pounds of stuff.
You know, Zero's rental program would be perfect for that.
That's exactly what I'm going to do to them.
It would?
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I was like, hey, we got this little program.
Yeah.
We get you guys discounts and everything. Just rent it. Has everything you need besides the food.
The vibe.
Huh?
Are you not vibing in shorts right now?
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, they're nice.
There you
You
go.
had an ankle tattoo.
Shut the fuck up, Richard. Look,
What? I ain't got to take them off now?
Fucking Yeti.
Hey, you know what? You leave my Yeti. Fucking Chewbacca over here.
This is a nice stand corner of the trail.
Oh, God.
bridge.
I got a goddamn air biscuit about to go blow. Just kidding, I don't got one, but.
Well, there's one hill down.
Good job, Richard. Oh. Flatland for a little bit, bud.
You got this, Richard.
Oh yeah, I got it. Well, let's say, want to rate my race. They feel like noodles, though.
Yeah.
Who else is dripping?
I'm glistening currently. I am not yet at a drip.
My page is dripping.
Oh, I got boob sweat. Well, I think the gnats are absorbing all the facial sweat. So, the gnats are horrendous. Yeah, the gnats are horrible. And none of us have mosquito nets. So, this is gonna be a good 15 miles. Maybe tomorrow won't be so bad. How you doing, Richard?
I'm doing alright. About to put my legs back up though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You getting a phone call? All right, we are coming across a little creek and a bridge.
Oh man, I make this thing free.
Oh, this moves.
Yeah.
All right.
He's like, oh, it moves. Sure does.
That right there was a little woobly.
Weeble. Yeah. Pretty much went down, but we just went up.
Yeah, we should be heading back.
the hell's a drop? Oh man.
Should be heading back up here soon.
It feels like a finger. It's the mountain's middle finger to us. Here you go, buddy. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you.
Looks like a campsite over there.
There's a thing there.
There's a rock right there, Richard.
That wasn't a rock that got me. That was a branch or something. A root. Stop eating those gnats.
Well, they're not as bad right now. I just have one just flew up my nose. Alright. This hill is a bit of a bitch. I think we're about halfway up it.
Don't tell me how much we're at.
Once we get to the top of this thing, it's all
Downhill from there?
literally, it's all downhill from there. It's all flat once we get to the top of this thing.
Weird, that's how hills work.
Yeah. Funny you say that.
Great. Great, said it goes downhill. It's all uphill.
So far, this is the rockiest part of the trail. Holy fuck.
We're almost there, Richard.
This probably doesn't look very good. We are currently walking in the dark. It's not quite dark outside, but because of where we're at.
It's 7:30.
7:30? Yeah, it shouldn't. It's technically not dark out yet, but
I'm down around 8 o'clock.
yeah.
You hear me? Nah, what's up, Richard?
I said my hat is blocking all the bugs from getting to my face.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yeah, great thing.
Some
Oh man, I'm glad we get that campsite. He's gonna lay on the ground.
I think the shelter was at right around 5 miles.
Give or take.
Where I've kind of been scanning and I haven't really seen anything where we could throw up yet, so.
I was kind of hoping we'd get going a little bit faster. Well, we did. But yeah, we're going that way.
What do you mean, like leaving?
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, I mean, I didn't think we were,
You'd be home at 4.
yeah, I didn't think we were
I
leaving.
didn't know you were gonna be waiting around fucking for silicone bags.
Oh, I mean, that was only 20 minutes though.
Yeah, 20 minutes. 20 minutes more light.
Yeah, all right. Looks like an opening up here.
Yep. We might be getting close to the gas pipeline.
That's probably what this is.
Yep.
This is view.
Richard,
I'm not walking through that.
there's a view.
I done got pants on. I'm sure that's a view. That kind of sucks.
I think this is the pipeline view. I think there's spots to camp here. Technically.
Well, I'm sure you can pull up anywhere right here in this fucking field. So there's a view, but grass is a little high around here. So I don't think we're gonna walk over there to check out the view. How you doing, Richard? You hanging in there? Well, we made it to the shelter, but there's people in it. So we had to walk back up the hill. We got here pretty late. It's like 10 o'clock.
It was like 11. Really.
It sucked. It was dark. Couldn't see anything. People were angry. Our setups here aren't the greatest. We are on a lot of rocks. Not the most ideal setup here. I think we were sleeping in between rocks.
You're sleeping in between rocks and a hard place.
Yeah, it wasn't. It's not an ideal spot to be camping, but it is what it is. It was the flattest spot that we could find. We were right here on the edge of this cliff.
It was peaceful. I knew it. I sneezed, I'm pulling over.
I'm gonna go make breakfast. I don't think we're going into Duncannon.
I don't think so.
Hike got a little rough yesterday, so it is what it is. Yeah, they're pretty constrictive.
Yeah, that's the reason why I didn't wear them this time. Did Brian tell you what I did the last time?
Wore his fucking work boots.
Yeah, so I wore my they're hiking, well not hiking boots, they're designed like hiking boots, the teens. And oh man, they're waterproof, they'll be good, plus the rain, blah blah blah. Yeah, no. Yeah. About 2 miles in, I started getting hot spots.
They had a safety guard tip on them.
Yeah, they had to pump though. But I didn't have no problem with the toe.
We are back at the trailhead. We are done with this trip. 11.21 miles. It was rough. Was not easy. There's signs. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below. We will see you on the next trail.